love the idea of using your Ethernet cable for Wi-Fi, but there's the gotcha. A lot of people end up damaging their cable. You see this little catch right here? When it goes inside the device, it goes in and locks itself into position. And when people go to pull them out, quite often they just yank it out. They think it should come out as easily as it went in. Well, when you put it in, it just slides in. Oh, upside down. It just slides in, and you'll hear it click. And on the old style, you can just grab that and pull it back out. But a lot of people don't grab that and push the little pin down, and they end up destroying the end of it. So that when they do put it in the next time, we got it upside down again. Yeah, it won't work because this is too loose. It'll just flop around. And the newer style. This is the newer style. And they have a little plastic piece over that you have to push down in order to disengage that little lock there. So when you put it in, there's very little space, and you have to push that down, and sometimes it's just impossible to push it down. So what I do is I use a paper clip. I just take a paper clip like that, and I push the paper clip in there, and it comes right out, and you don't damage. Get out of there, and you don't damage any of it, and so you can just use it again and again and again. So if you're having trouble with your connection, check to make sure it's a true. Make sure that you don't have any damage done to your cable end. These are left over from ones that I've had to replace over time because so they didn't know. So now you know.